What's going on, guys? It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, and today we're going to be doing full body paint protection film on this Porsche 911 GTS. This vehicle is going to get a bespoke paint protection film installed, which means things are coming off, film's getting tucked, things are getting put back on so that this car looks perfect and stays flawless. Let me show you what we do front to back on a car like this when we do a bespoke paint protection film install. So the 911 GTS has got to be one of my favorite trims of 911. This is the only way you can get a wide body Carrera without getting all-wheel drive and without jumping up to a GT3. So if you want a rear-wheel drive wide body 991.2, this is the only way you can get it in GTS form. So this trim level is really fantastic. It comes with huge turbos, a big booty, and it's got the looks to back up that horsepower. So we're going to be doing full body PPF today to cover all of those hips and make sure that this vehicle stays clean while ripping it up on the roads. This car is being sold today by Wolfe Motors in Addison, so if you want to pick up a super mint 991.2 GTS, you can buy this exact car from them after we've done the service. Paint protection film is strong enough to take damage, so that means rock chips up front, but it also means things like scratches, swirl marks, door dings, scuffs, or if you accidentally bump into something, paint protection film can take that type of physical wear and tear. Because we're applying it to the entire vehicle, this 911 is fully physically protected from those types of things. So a bespoke installation, what does that even mean? Bespoke means that things like badges get taken out, film gets tucked underneath, film goes around the perimeter of the panels and gets tucked under there as well. Bespoke installations are great for a couple of major reasons. First and foremost, especially on Porsches, you don't get a cutout around this crest, right? It's nice and seamless. It doesn't even look like there's anything there. More importantly than just looking pretty though, tucked film is less likely to catch and lift because there aren't any exposed edges, which means that this PPF is going to last significantly longer over time. Bespoke PPF also has us take out the mirrors, so normally the kit would have a seam here in the PPF, but because we took the mirror out, we're able to lay all of this in one piece. We even took the weather seal off this door here too, and the film got tucked on the back side. So if you look at this, you can't tell that there's PPF here at all. And this is what you get when you get a bespoke paint protection film installation. Bespoke paint protection film also has us remove the door handle, and so because of that, we're able to lay the PPF all in one clean sheet. So if you look here, there is no seam on the door cut. It looks seamless. And on a white vehicle, this is super important because any exposed edge will collect dirt, and that dirt looks very unsightly. It sticks out like a sore thumb. So when you do bespoke, you get no dirt lines, specifically under things like door cups. We've also removed the rear antenna here to tuck the film underneath so you don't get a cutout here as well. We'll be removing the rear badge and reinstalling it as well. So when we remove the badge, we're able to lay that paint protection film in one piece. Then when we put the badge back on top of the paint protection film, there is no cutout. So very, very clean. So this car is being sold right now at Wolfe Motors in Addison. And so if you want to have a car that has been taken care of this way, this is probably the 911 for you. Go ahead and give them a call and see what they say. If you're local, go ahead and come out and take it for a test drive. This GTS will not disappoint. It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, and I'll see you next time.